How to change default homepage in Google Chrome. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can make Google your homepage in Chrome. So in order to do this procedure, first of all check your internet connection, open up a browser. After you open up a browser, you can see on the search box you have google.com. So basically what you'll have to do is, first of all you need to copy the link, right click on your mouse, and after that click on the copy button. So first of all, select it, right click on your mouse, click on the copy button. Once you've done that, head over to the three dot icon located in the top right hand side corner. After that, from the drop down menu, tap on settings. Once you tap on settings, it's going to direct you to the settings page. Right on this page, from the left hand side bar, tap on appearances. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see that the show home button is disabled. So make sure to toggle it on. And as soon as you've done that, you can see in the top left hand side corner, you can see this home button located. Now what you need to do is you need to enter in the custom web address. So basically you need to paste in the link that you recently copied. After you've done this, go to on startup, which is right at the bottom, and once you've done that, you'll be able to see three different tabs. So basically you need to tap on open a specific page or set of page. You'll be able to see two different options, that is add a new page or current page. So go to use current page. So basically you'll have to tap on add a new page, and once again you'll be asked to type in the site URL. So basically you'll have to paste in the same one. So right click on your mouse and then tap on the paste button. After you've done that, click on add. So in this way you can change default homepage in Google Chrome. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.